Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add Trustpilot reviews to Shopify. So first is head over to admin.shopify.com and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, proceed to a new tab and head over to apps.shopify.com. Just press enter, and in the search bar, just search or type Fera, then press enter. So in the list of apps, just look for this Fera product reviews app, then click on install. You will then be redirected to the Fera dashboard, and all you have to do is click on add a review. So from here, you will be asked how you would like to add a review, either by import or sync, or you can also add manually or ask customers. So from here, just choose your import source, and of course, we're going to choose Trustpilot. So from here, we're just going to connect our review source. All you have to do is just add your Trustpilot profile URL. Then you also have an option if you want to automatically sync reviews or not. Then once done, just click on connect. Then once your account is connected, just click on Sync Now. So that's how you can easily connect Trustpilot to Shopify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!